Hello everyone, today I'm going to show you how to share screen on Discord mobile with sound. I will be on my iOS device and I will just tap on your Discord application and make sure you will have logged in, and you will just select it from the left side of any channel role, and I will just on the pseudo right, and if I just scroll down, so you will just see the in the last voice channels. So example, I will just tap on this cafe. I will just swipe up and there is right now no option to like share screen, because maybe my region is not acceptable for this feature. And you will also just check your Discord application has been on latest version, so I will just check it. So right now I don't have any latest version of update in Discord, and maybe in my region there is no option to share the screen right over here with sound, but in your country maybe acceptable this option. So that's it. So hope this video helped you. Please don't forget to like and subscribe and get notified for more videos.